Okay, I'm gonna put the rotor on and show you where it's rubbing. Okay. So you can see that's the parking brake. Oh, sorry, I had to turn on the flash. And this is still the rotor back here. It's touching the edge of the rotor. Yeah, it's not even going in. It's very strange. Okay, take this off. What? Okay, so it's rubbing against this lip. I'm not really sure. So this worked fine with the original parking brakes, which are over here. And these are identical to the ones I have. So I don't really know what's going on.